Alright, today in this video, we will be enjoying nature as it is. Alright, so there's this, there's a Mexican riding the bike. I don't think he heard me. Okay, he's gone. So yeah, this is just a quiet little building here, and a little shade outpost. Get a great view of this pond. There's like a few fish in here somewhere. I saw a few of them popping their heads out. Oh, I see a fin right there. Fish confirmed. It's right there. Kind of see him standing there just a little bit. Yep. Pretty big size fish actually. I'm not sure if it's like trout, carp, anything like that. There's another one right there. There's also goose and duck. Quack confirmed. And yeah, this is what you see in Alameda when you're not in front of your computer. And the good thing about nature is that it doesn't lag, unlike most multiplayer games. And yeah, I'm not even sure why I'm making this video. Actually, I was supposed to meet up with some people to run, but changed the plans, so not today. So I'm out here just not doing anything special, really. Duck and goose might fight. They might fight. Maybe. I don't think so. Will they? No. I don't think so. Oh. A duck just drowned. The duck is drowning. Oh, no, never mind. No. Yeah, I don't go outside often. Oh shit. Dude, I think he's fighting fish. Top 10 anime battles. Oh, no. There he is. Yep. It's just quacking and chill for the most part. No, this is. Oh god, we got. They're still killing these ducks. I'm gonna get out of here for the meantime. And see you next time, guys.